Do you have a gap in your LVP flooring? I will show you how to turn this gap into a tight seam just like this in this video. Stick around to the end and I will show you what didn't really work too well for me. So right here you can see the gap in the LVP flooring. It's due to the island that was screwed down through the LVP flooring. So I just cut a little hole that the screw could float around in there. I removed the island, it was just easier for me. You don't have to. So first we will have to clean this gap out. If we don't clean the gap out, then it will just be stuck. All that junk will be stuck in there. So we have to clean the gap off. We will also use some 2x material. So I would recommend vacuuming that off as well. So we'll go and vacuum. Alright, now that we have that cleaned off, we can take our double-sided tape. This is what I'm using. I'm just going to use this. So whenever you put the tape on, you want to make sure you smash it in really good before you peel the back side of the tape off. That way it can smash into the wood really well. So you'll stick that on your LVP. Make sure you smash it in really good with your feet so it bonds really good. I use 2 boards. I'll show you at the end why. So while you're stepping on the board, I tried focusing all of my weight closer to where I was hitting on the board. I got the strongest tape that I could at Home Depot. You could maybe find some stronger tape, or you could get a wider board and stick more tape on it as well. When I was hammering, I was trying to make sure to hit the top side of the 2x. That way I had less of a chance of damaging the floor. You could also put some cardboard down to protect in case you accidentally hit the floor. I was trying not to be in the way of the video as you could see the gap close, but it worked a whole lot better whenever you could push pressure on it like this. So I took the board off and you can see that the gap is fully closed. So here's the before, you can see the gap, and then here is the after with no gap at all. So I tried using this technique of the clamps with 2 boards. I was thinking it was going to be a little less evasive on my floor and less risky, but you can see that the floor did not want to hold the double-sided tape. This is a Cortec floor made by Shaw with a lot of texture in there. Other floors, it may work.